Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Managing weight in social situations can often present unique challenges that may derail our efforts toward better health. This video will explore practical strategies to navigate social settings while supporting our weight management goals. Let's dive in and discover valuable tips to help you stay on track and make healthier choices when faced with social temptations. Maintaining a healthy weight is not just about physical appearance. It is about caring for our bodies and reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. Social gatherings often revolve around food and drinks, making it easy to overindulge and stray from our health goals. By being mindful of our choices in social settings, we can better manage our weight and support our overall well-being. Remember, every decision we make in social situations can bring us closer to our health goals or set us back. The choice is ours. One of the most significant challenges individuals face when managing weight in social situations is peer pressure and societal norms. It can be challenging to stick to healthier options when everyone around you indulges in high-calorie foods and sugary drinks. Additionally, social events often lack healthy food choices, making it tempting to give in to unhealthy options. Finding a balance between enjoying social gatherings and staying true to your health goals can be difficult. Still, successfully navigating these challenges with the right strategies is possible. This video will provide practical tips and insights to help you overcome these obstacles and make informed choices supporting your weight management journey. Stay tuned for valuable advice on prioritizing your health in social settings without feeling deprived or isolated. Let's empower ourselves to make healthier decisions and achieve our weight management goals together. Social situations significantly affect our weight management and overall health journey. From peer pressure to psychological effects, the dynamics of social gatherings can either support or hinder our efforts to maintain a healthy weight. In this segment, we will delve into how social interactions impact our food choices, portion sizes, and eating habits, shedding light on common scenarios that may challenge our weight management goals. Peer pressure can exert a powerful influence on our food choices and portion sizes in social settings. Whether it's a family gathering, a night out with friends, or a work event, the desire to fit in and avoid standing out can lead us to unhealthy food choices or overeating. The fear of judgment or missing out on the fun can push us to indulge in high-calorie foods and more significant portions, even when it may not align with our health goals. Understanding and recognizing the impact of peer pressure on our eating habits is crucial in making informed decisions that support our weight management efforts. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. The psychological effects of social gatherings on eating habits are profound and often overlooked. Emotions such as stress, anxiety, excitement, or boredom can trigger mindless eating or emotional eating in social settings. The presence of food cues, such as delicious aromas or visually appealing displays, can also stimulate our appetite and lead to overconsumption. Additionally, social norms and expectations regarding food and drink consumption can influence our behavior and choices, sometimes without realizing it. By being mindful of these psychological factors, we can better navigate social situations and make conscious decisions that support our health and well-being. Several common social scenarios can pose challenges to weight management. For instance, office celebrations with tempting treats, weekend brunches with bottomless mimosas, or holiday gatherings filled with decadent dishes can all derail our efforts to eat healthily and mindfully. Buffet-style events, where food is abundant and continuously available, can also make it difficult to control portion sizes and resist overeating. By recognizing these common scenarios and preparing strategies to navigate them effectively, we can proactively manage our weight and prioritize our health in social settings. Stay tuned as we explore practical tips and solutions to overcome these obstacles and stay on track toward a healthier lifestyle. Making healthier food choices in social settings can be challenging, but with the right strategies and mindset, it is possible to prioritize your health without sacrificing enjoyment. This segment will share practical tips to help you navigate restaurant menus, practice mindful eating, and prepare nutritious dishes for gatherings. When dining out with friends or family, navigating restaurant menus for healthier options is vital to maintaining your weight management goals. Look for menu items that are grilled, steamed, or baked instead of fried or sautéed. Opt for dishes rich in vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains to ensure a balanced meal. Consider asking for dressings and sauces on the side to control portions and reduce unnecessary calories. Don't be afraid to customize your order to suit your dietary preferences and needs. By being proactive and mindful when selecting your meal, you can enjoy dining out while making healthier choices that align with your health goals. Practicing mindful eating during social events can help you savor your food, recognize hunger and fullness cues, and prevent overeating. Take your time to chew slowly, savoring each bite and appreciating the flavors and textures of your meal. Be present and engaged in the conversation rather than mindlessly reaching for food out of habit or boredom. Listen to your body's signals and stop eating when you feel satisfied, even if food is left on your plate. By being mindful of your eating habits and focusing on the experience of dining, you can cultivate a healthier relationship with food and make conscious choices that support your well-being. Bringing nutritious dishes to social gatherings is a great way to ensure that you have healthy options while sharing your love for wholesome food with others. Consider preparing colorful salads with vegetables, whole grain dishes like quinoa or brown rice, or lean protein options such as grilled chicken skewers or stir-foo. Fresh fruit platters, vegetable crudité with hummus, or homemade dips and spreads can also be crowd pleasers, contributing to a balanced and nutritious spread. By offering nutritious and delicious dishes at gatherings, you can inspire others to make healthier choices and enjoy the benefits of nourishing foods together. Stay tuned for more recipe ideas and inspiration to elevate your social dining experiences with health and flavor in mind. Physical activity is crucial in managing weight, improving overall health, and enhancing social interactions. In this segment, we will explore the significance of incorporating exercise into social activities, recommend fun group fitness ideas for gatherings, and emphasize the importance of staying active even in social settings. Let's discover how integrating physical activity into our social lives can support our weight management goals and foster community and well-being. Incorporating exercise into social activities offers many benefits beyond just physical fitness. Engaging in physical activity with friends, family, or colleagues can strengthen bonds, boost motivation, and create a sense of camaraderie. Whether going for a group hike, participating in a dance class, or playing team sports, exercising together can make the experience more enjoyable and rewarding. Additionally, combining social interactions with physical activity can help alleviate stress, improve mood, and enhance overall mental well-being. By integrating exercise into social settings, we can reap the dual benefits of staying active and connecting with others meaningfully. When planning social gatherings, consider incorporating fun group fitness activities to encourage movement and promote a healthy lifestyle among attendees. Organize a friendly game of beach volleyball, a group yoga session in the park, or a dance party with upbeat music to get everyone moving and grooving. Alternatively, explore outdoor activities such as hiking, biking, or paddleboarding, allowing participants to enjoy nature while staying active together. By infusing social events with physical activities that cater to different interests and fitness levels, you can create memorable experiences that promote health and well-being for all involved. Staying active in social settings is essential for maintaining a healthy lifestyle and supporting weight management goals. Whether attending a party, dining out with friends, or celebrating special occasions, finding opportunities to incorporate movement and physical activity can help offset the effects of indulgent meals and sedentary behaviors. Consider suggesting active outings, such as walking meetings, group fitness classes, or outdoor adventures, to make social gatherings more dynamic and health-conscious. Stay tuned for more tips and inspiration on integrating exercise into your social life and elevating your overall wellness journey. In this segment, we will promote mindful approaches to socializing, encourage setting boundaries around food and drinks, discuss strategies for handling peer pressure positively, and emphasize the importance of striking a balance between enjoying social occasions and maintaining our health goals. Let's explore how we can cultivate mindful habits that support our well-being in social settings. Setting boundaries around food and drinks at social events is essential for meeting our health goals and honoring our body's needs. Be proactive in communicating your dietary preferences and restrictions to hosts or friends when attending gatherings. Practice portion control and mindful eating by savoring each bite and listening to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Consider bringing your healthy snacks or beverages to ensure you have nutritious options. By establishing clear boundaries and making conscious choices about your consumption, you can navigate social situations with confidence and integrity. Redirect conversations towards shared interests or activities that do not involve food or alcohol. It's important to remember that socializing is more than just food and drinks. connecting with others, sharing experiences, and creating memories. Prioritize activities that promote movement, such as dancing, hiking, or playing sports, to incorporate physical activity into social gatherings. If you found the information in this video helpful and insightful, we invite you to engage with our channel for more health-related content, tips, and resources. Subscribe to stay updated on the latest videos, share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section, and connect with our community of like-minded individuals committed to prioritizing their health and well-being. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to continuing this health-focused conversation with you.